Ever hit snooze one too many times, then scramble out the door with just a coffee and crash by noon? Yeah, I've been there. But what if I told you that a real breakfast could change your whole day? Today, I'll show you 5 quick, healthy breakfast ideas that take 5 minutes or less, keeping you energized, focused, and full until lunchtime. The science is clear. Eating a nutritious breakfast is linked to better cognitive performance, improved metabolism, and stable energy levels throughout the day. First up, the Greek yogurt power bowl. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics, supporting muscle recovery and gut health. Toss in some berries for antioxidants, chia seeds for omega-3s, and a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. This combo stabilizes your blood sugar, preventing those mid-morning slumps and helping you feel satisfied for hours. Next, the avocado toast remix. Avocados are an excellent source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Pair it with whole grain toast for fiber that promotes digestion and sustained energy. Adding hemp seeds gives you a punch of plant-based protein and minerals like magnesium for muscle and nerve function. Number 3. Overnight oats in a jar. Overnight oats are a great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, both of which keep you full longer and regulate blood sugar. Add banana slices for potassium, supporting muscle function, and almond milk to keep it dairy-free, while adding a dose of vitamin E, which promotes skin health and immunity. Smoothie that powers you. Smoothies are a perfect way to pack in veggies and fruits at breakfast. Blend spinach, banana, and frozen berries for a dose of antioxidants. Toss in protein powder to boost muscle repair and flax seeds for fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health and brain function. Last but not least, nut butter banana wrap. Nut butters are a fantastic source of healthy fats and protein, making this a satisfying breakfast that helps balance your blood sugar. Bananas provide potassium to support hydration and muscle function. Roll it up in a whole wheat wrap for extra fiber, helping keep you feeling full and energized. Quick hack. On Sunday night, prep 2 options, maybe overnight oats and boiled eggs. When Monday morning hits, your future self will thank you with extra sleep and less stress. The key to a successful breakfast is balance. You want a combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you energized and focused throughout the day. These elements help stabilize blood sugar and prevent those energy crashes we often experience. Want even more personalized nutrition advice tailored just for you? Get your personalized nutrition report today at www.nutrivia.ai. It's like having your very own nutritionist in your pocket. Stay tuned for more easy, fun, and delicious wellness tips, and let's fuel the best version of you.